Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11 of Standard 7 SS. Once again I repeat, Standard 7 SS, chapter number 11, and today it is the first lecture, first video, and the name of the chapter is Components of the environment and interrelationships. Once again, components of the environment and interrelationships. My dear student, last year in standard 6 we learned about four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. My dear student, the word environment. Now what is that? In English we use the word environment, but in Gujarati we use the word paryavaran. So environment means paryavaran. The word paryavaran is made of two words. It is made up of two words, pari plus avaran. Pari plus avaran. Just I am writing here. Okay. Pari plus avaran. Okay. That is called paryavaran. Now pari. What is the meaning of pari? Pari means around, surrounding, and avaran means layer. Pari means around and avaran means layer. Same meaning in English. Avaran means sphere. Okay. So my dear student, on earth we found four spheres. Which are they? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now when we consider about spheres, one thing I would like to say, that in the universe, my dear student, only the earth has living things. Okay, my dear student, that we have already learned in standard 6 also. So got it? So how many spheres are there? So there are four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. One thing here I would like to say, lithosphere. When we consider about lithosphere, the word lithosphere is made up of two words, litho plus sphere. That is called soil. And my dear student, here we can say 29% of the earth's surface. 29% of the earth's surface is covered with lithosphere. Okay, and my dear student, where we are living, that is called lithosphere. And my dear student, industries, forests, okay, and houses, they are made on lithosphere. Okay, got it? My dear student, even when we consider about lithosphere, mountain, that is also on lithosphere. Okay, mountains, valleys. So 29% area that is covered with lithosphere. I have already explained what is the meaning of lith and what is the meaning of sphere. Lith means soil and sphere means layer. Okay, my dear student, second one that is called hydrosphere. The word hydrosphere means water. Okay, my dear student, here we can say 71% area of the earth's surface is covered with hydrosphere. Hydro means water, and we know the large water mass, that is called ocean. Okay, and my dear student, we can say that 97% of the water is found in ocean. 97% of water found on ocean, 2% on glacier form. It is given in our book. Okay, one table is given. Okay, so my dear student, so here 71% area is covered with hydrosphere. Okay, when we consider about whole water mass, 97% water is found in ocean. And my dear student, we have already learned that there are 4 oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 4 oceans. Okay, there are 4 oceans that we have already explained: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. And my dear student, I have also explained about how deep they are. Okay, Pacific Ocean, when we consider about Pacific Ocean, 10 to 11 kilometers deep it is. 10 to 11 kilometers deep it is. My dear student, they are useful. They are interrelated, interjoined. Okay, so one is meeting with another one. And my dear student, they are used as a waterways also. What it? So that is hydrosphere. Next one is atmosphere. My dear student, atmosphere, gases form, different gases are there. Okay, we know 78% that is for nitrogen. Okay, then 21% that is called oxygen. Okay, and 1% other gases are there like helium, hydrogen, ozone, different gases are there. I have already explained about ozone gas. Okay, that is useful. It protects the harsh rays of the sun. Okay, it protects us from the severe heat of the sun, that we have already explained. And when we consider about all these 3 things, that is included, that is called biosphere. When we consider about biosphere, it means it combines all these 3 things: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Okay, got it? In biosphere there are 2 types: biotic and abiotic. Okay, biotic and abiotic. In biotic thing, living thing comes. In biotic, living thing comes like human beings, animals, vegetation, like that. While abiotic, okay, mountains, rivers, okay, this thing comes. Got it? So here in a biosphere, 2 things are there. In biosphere, 2 things are there: biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things. Means a human beings, animals, vegetation, okay, that comes. And abiotic means a non-living things like mountain, rivers, like that. Okay, got it? So this is the summary of last year. And my dear student, it is also the part of this chapter. This chapter is divided into 2 things. First one is about spheres, and in the second part you will learn about pollution. Okay, so here I have explained about sphere. Okay, second point is about, my dear student, tides and ebbs. Now what is called tides? When the water of the sea rises, that is called tide. What is called tide? In tide, okay, sea water, it rises, that is called tide. And ebbs, okay, it recedes, okay, that is called ebbs. And my dear student, here we can say there is a time interval of about 12 hours and 25 minutes between 2 tides. Okay, my dear student, now how it happens? It happens because of the gravitational force. And my dear student, we know amas. In our Hinduism, we use the word amas and purnima. So my dear student, okay, high tides occurs on full moon day and new moon day. Okay, it occurs on new moon day and full moon day. Okay, my dear student, full moon day, that is called Purnima, that is called Purnima in our calendar. The round circle is given red color, na? That is called Purnima. And new moon day, that is called Amavas. That is called Amavas. So we have 15 days something, okay, from Amavas to Purnima and Purnima to Amavas, okay. So my dear student, that is called Sud and Vad. That is considered as a Sud and Vad. But we know what is called Sud, okay. My dear student, Sud and Vad. Sud means Shukla Paksha. Sud means Shukla Paksha. That is called bright fortnight. That is called bright fortnight. While Vad, that is called Krishna Paksh. That is called Krishna Paksh. And my dear student, this is called, okay, here we can say Vada means Krishna Paksh, okay, that is means a darker fortnight, okay. So my dear student, today I have explained about spheres, I have explained about tides and elves, and also about Sud and Vad. Here we can say high tides. High tide comes on new moon day and full moon day. Why low tide comes in between on the 7th, 8th day of the day, okay, 7th or 8th day in between. So new moon to full moon day and full moon to new moon day on the 7th or 8th day. In between it comes low tides. So this is the summary of the first part. My dear student, in second part we will learn about pollution. Thank you.